Okay, go. Nice. Watch out for the log right there. Oh. What's this game called, Taryn?
Hot potato.
Oh, hot potato.
I don't want these feathers.
Those ones too puffy. Tinley, are you playing? Okay, go again. Go back. Ready, go.
Bye.
Bye. Go. Go down that way. Go down the hall. Taryn, go down the hall. Hot potato, hot potato.